I've come to India from Denmark to interview two people about their daily life. One of the women that I'm going to talk with moved here from Denmark because of a work offer. The other woman has lived here her whole life.
My name is Hayuko and I have lived in India my whole life.
Hello, my name is Isabel. I moved to India because of a job offer.
My first question is to you, Isabel. What is the difference between living in India and living in Denmark?
There's a pretty big difference between living in Denmark and living in India. India is the size of whole Europe and there live over 1.2 billion people in it. Women don't have a lot of rights in the daily life in India. And what we usually see as men jobs here in Denmark are women jobs in India. The whole computer industry in India is mostly for women and men are usually the doctors.
Where do both of you live?
In the forest.
I live in New Delhi.
How is the environment in India?
The environment isn't the greatest because of the amount of people who lives in India and throws trash and drives cars.
What are the main attractions in India?
Ganges River. Ganges River is 2,000 kilometers long and flows from the western Himalayas and empties out in the Bay of Bengal. Ganges is one of the most polluted rivers in the world, but an environmental choice to clean up the river has been a major failure. Even though the river is polluted, the Hindus consider the water to be spiritually pure, while the monk Hindus consider purifying to bathe in Ganges.
Tranquebar was a Danish trading colony in 1620 to 1845. It's placed in East India in the state of Tamil. It was about the same time the Caribbean was a Danish colony. Today in Tranquebar, the Indian people live there.
Himalaya is the Earth's highest mountain range with several peaks over 80,000 meters. Mount Everest is a part of Himalaya and it's possible to climb the 8,848 meter high mountain. The mountain range goes through Bhutan, Nepal, Burma, Pakistan, China and India.
And for the final question, what is the main religion in India?
The main religion in India is Hinduism. About 80% of all people in India are Hindu.
That was all I had. Thank you so much for coming.